Okay, so the driver's side door of my van, on the armrest for the door, has this control panel for locking the door locks, rolling down the window. You get the idea. Now, on this very end, there used to be a plastic tab, would sort of like clip down into the door. I don't really have a good picture to show you of this. So I devised a plan where I could use Gorilla Glue and a guitar pick to glue the guitar pick onto the door panel, and maybe that would be a good substitute. Here you can see I used Sean's guitar pick to glue on the control panel. But after 24 hours, the Gorilla Glue, I was able to just snap it right off with my fingers. So then I thought, how about I use some JB Weld? But JB Weld was not up to the task either. You can see here on the very rounded edge of a new guitar pick, after 24 hours of gluing the JB Weld on the guitar pick to the JB Weld of the door panel, it also just snapped right off. Perplexed, if you will, how do I solve this problem? Do I need to buy a whole new door panel? Surely there's got to be a way. And then I learned about plastic welding. I bought a plastic welding kit from Harbor Freight, which included a 80-watt soldering iron with a special plastic welding tip. It also included multiple strips of plastic. Using those strips of plastic, I built up a good foundation. And then I used a plastic knife like you will find in a picnic cutlery set. And I melted the white plastic of the knife into the black plastic to end up with this little tip that you see. It's not very pretty, but it sure does work. This is a picture of the electronics screwed back into place. It all worked together. Because of all of the wires that are a part of this control panel, the wires were putting constant pressure. It was pushing up against the door panel at all times. And this little knife, white plastic knife, is able to hold it all in place.